it's V. Welcome to Bergen, Norway. And that is our first stop. Oh, I can't get my finger to go that far. That's our first stop. This is Bryggen, which meant quay or a wharf. And it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site now. The original burnt down in the 1700s, but they rebuilt it to be exactly as it was. Even 1700s is pretty old. Bergen, on the west coast of Norway, is one of Europe's oldest port cities, and this old wharf area is a reminder of the town's importance from the 14th to the 16th century. The gorgeous, iconic facade leads to tiny alleyways that contain shops, restaurants, and craftspeople, like potters, jewelers, and leather crafters. I must apologize. My GoPro was broken and I didn't know it until I saw the footage. It's very shaky and I'm so sorry. Anyway, I love how they've kept as much original as they can because they've had several fires, so it's been rebuilt and rebuilt. But wow, what a beautiful place. Our next stop was the Mount Floyen Funicular. You get tickets there or tickets over here.
Oh yeah, that's fine. You don't need to...
One of Norway's best known and most popular attractions. It takes visitors 320 meters above sea level for a spectacular view of the city. When we got there, it was rainy and clouds obstructed the view, but just before we left, the clouds gave way and an incredible panoramic view opened up. It's beautiful from up there, and if you're in Bergen, you have to do this. So it's not the best view since it's pouring down rain. But you can see all of the city and the clouds. There is Bergen, all of it. Oh, look at the park in the middle with the fountain. We drove past that. And there are several cruise ships to the right, and our cruise ships just straight ahead. We're too big to park over here to the right. So those are the clouds that are slowly lifting. And we can see everything now. Look how far you can see when it's not so cloudy. Isn't that beautiful? There's our ship. Gosh, you can see everything from here now. Beautiful. That is Bergen Fortress. And it's right on the water. And look at the duckies. I think those are ducks. Maybe birds. And there's Bryggen again from the other side of the water. And up there is where the funicular goes, and where we just saw the whole city. That's a concert hall, and from a distance it looks like a piano. For a complete overview of the city, my sister and I decided to do the hop-on hop-off bus. We didn't have a lot of time, so we couldn't hop off very often, but we did get off at one stop, and it was our last attraction, the aquarium, so stay tuned for that. This is the fish market. Lots of restaurants down on the bottom. And this is the Bergen Aquarium. I don't know how big it is, but it looks pretty big back there. And I hear sounds like penguins fussing. So let's go in and have a look. Oh, look, that one's walking in the water. He's walking over the people. Hello there, darling. Hello there, little buddy. It's a boa. Little unfed animal. Yes, car. Eyes are shut. Going to sleep. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that subscribe button.